So here at TCL, there is the best LCD display in the world with the RGB backlight. So you see right here, this is the backlight showing through that it's full color RGB. It allows for the best colors in the LCD in the world. Very high contrast, brighter. It can do up to 4,000 nits. This is a 98-inch world's highest image quality LCD TV display. And here in the highlights, it talks about ultra wide viewing angles, proprietary RGB mini LED for I think it was 5,000 zones, and a 98-inch. So it's going to provide some very bright, high quality, great contrast. LCD is always ready to do new technology.